Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, your girl is platinum blonde with the bob. I'm giving Baps realness. I am giving it to you, okay? I don't have much to say. I just want to say hello and just keep watching. I'm gonna show you guys the wig, how I got it this color, how I cut it, how I installed it, products I use, all of that. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm just showing you guys the wig straight out the box. I haven't done anything to it. I did slightly pluck it a little bit more to my likings, but I didn't do much. Look how natural the hairline is. It looks so good. You don't have to pluck it again, but I just want to do it for my own, what's the word I'm looking for? It was my preference, okay, because I just have had, experiences in the past with blonde where it just looks very bulky. So yeah, so now I'm just filling up my sink. I hope you guys don't mind this view. I just personally didn't feel like filling up a plastic bowl and all the extras. The sink works just fine, you know what I'm saying? I don't know about y'all, but I don't season food in my sink, so it's just for washing dishes. So here we are. But anyways, I'm filling it up with warm water because this is kind of like a what's it called? Oh my gosh, why can't I think? Like a watercolor method. Instead of washing it, I'm taking the purple shampoo and I'm putting it in that hot water, and I'm just going to keep dipping it. And I'm doing it in sections. I didn't leave it all in the video because that would have just been entirely too long. As you can see, it's super yellow, and we're about to take all that yellowness out. But I did this for about 10 minutes straight, honestly. I just kept dipping it, washing it, dipping it until all the yellow was out. And as you're doing it, make sure you're combing through it so that the shampoo is evenly being distributed throughout the wig, because you don't want to have chunks of that yellow in there. I wanted a platinum blonde. I really wanted a icy white blonde, but I just couldn't get it to there and I was getting tired, so I just stopped. But just dip, comb. I did let it sit in the shampoo towards the end for like 5 minutes, and all of it was out. And as I did that, it actually has highlights in it. Like, if you look at the strands closely, there's like different shades of blonde in there, which I love. It's not very flat, so shout out to Shimmer Lights, okay? And I just kept adding it and doing it as if you're doing literally like watercolor method, but it's not messy. It's just shampoo. So I'm just mixing it up, doing my thing, okay? And yeah, it's gonna get very sudsy, so you're gonna have to really wash the hair out good. Like, it took me a good 5 minutes to wash it out. That's why I remembered I do not like Shimmer Lights, because it takes so long for it to wash out. Like, it's like the suds just stick in the hair. But I washed it, brushed through it so that everything was out, and I was good to go. So after I washed it out, I just kind of checked the hair to see if this is what I wanted. And at this point, like I said, I was tired. So this is it. It's like a, little ash blonde, toned blonde. Now I'm taking my Ion blonde, what's it called, conditioner. Don't use that much. I'm ridiculous. I normally use a shampoo. I just didn't have anymore, but you can use either or shampoo. They both work really good. I personally prefer the Ion one a little bit better, and it smells better. I feel like Shimmer Lights has this strong smell that just lingers. Ion smells nice and fruity, but that's not the point. So just make sure you rinse that conditioner out, wring it out, and look, voila, yellow is out. We are platinum blonde, cool tone shorty, icy girl, you know what I'm saying? So I applied the wig back to my mannequin head, and I'm just like molding the hair. I parted it down the middle, and I'm just taking my wrapping foam, if I get there in a second, and I'm just molding it. So I just kind of wanted to, like, if I say mold again, I'm gonna scream, but I'm just molding the hair. I did get this from Sally's. I don't know. I just really like this wrapping foam. But anyways, I just wanted it to be nice and flat as possible. I really took my time on this install, you guys. Normally with my blondes, I just like pop it on and I'm like, oh, it's just, for video. No, I really wanted to make sure that this looked good, okay? So I wrapped it, and then I took the black strips that I used, I wrapped it around my head, and I let it air dry overnight, and I was good in the hood. So you guys have seen all the magic that I've attempted to work. I'm going to put on my little mesh cap. You guys know I love these.
And I hope this does not, I don't know the word I'm looking for. I don't know, but I hope that I don't need like a nude cap, because I'm not doing the bald cap method. I don't want to do that. I don't like that. So this is the wig so far. It's platinum. I'm actually really nervous because I have no roots, and just not having roots really just makes me nervous. So I'm about to put this. Ooh, it's looking good. Okay, sis. Like, plucking it helps so much, because I feel like a lot of times I don't like it because I don't over pluck, and I just went in. So what I'm about to do, okay, I'm okay. Okay. So what I'm about to do actually is put some powder underneath it, just so that it looks more part-like, because what I did do is I tried to, let me show you guys. I tried to use this lace tint. It's from Desirable Wigs. It's a good lace tint, but I feel like when I was putting it on, it was just bleeding through, and it just was not working. So I have molded it, and it was flat and it was laid, but I had to rewash the front out because it just kept bleeding through. So I'm gonna look up some more videos and figure out how to tint my blonde lace, because you know, your girl's getting back into the colors, the girl's getting back into the fun, okay? Because I don't know, my mood has been off and I feel like I'm projecting negative energy. I don't want to do that, so I'm trying to give you guys looks. I'm crazy. But yeah, I actually really like this now that it's on, because I was like, I don't like this, but you know, I'm about to do a little Bobbiana. I was gonna do a half up, half down, but I'm thinking a little Bobbiana. But I'm gonna cut my bob right. I got some nice scissors. They actually cut through, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have to cut this before I put it on, because I want to make sure that it's even, and I cut it on the mannequin and I can see the back and all that. So BRB. Actually, I'm lying. I'm gonna straighten my hair first so that I can like get it as straight as possible and then cut it and then style it. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten that. I would do it on camera, but y'all know how to straighten hair, okay? And I'm gonna give my camera battery some juice and I'll be back.
As you can see, the hair is straight, bone straight. It looks good. I could have left it like this, but for me personally, I just feel like, I think this wig was 16 inches. It's just kind of an awkward length to me, especially with like blonde hair, because like it's a natural length, but it's not a natural color. So unless it's super layered and like side part, which I could have done now that I'm thinking about it, but that's not what the plan was. It's just a no-go for me. So I'm doing the middle part and Bobby Yana. Okay, look at the hair though. So basically my method to cutting my bob today was doing the ponytail method. I put the wig on my head, I put the ponytail holder in and kind of like eyeballed it and saw where I wanted to cut it, and took the wig off, put it on the mannequin head, and I cut it. Okay, and I did that honestly like two or three times until I got it where I wanted, because as you're going to see, it was just too long. It was like that awkward bob length. It was a lob, and I wasn't feeling that for the blonde, you know what I'm saying? So I did it again and again until I got it to the length that I wanted, and doing this method with the ponytail just makes it so much easier. I know you guys have seen me cut bobs in the past and they've just been so choppy, but I got some nice scissors so it glided through. I didn't have no problem. Look how straight it is. And I'm just, you know, making sure it's all even throughout, and just look, she coming through, baby. But I need to get my life together. But yeah, after that, I just pretty much installed the wig. You guys have seen me install my wig before. I did use another spray today. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if it's because I was using blonde hair, so I'm not really the most comfortable with installing blonde or colored frontals. I just feel like I have this cast, or the lace isn't for me. I don't know. That's just me. I'm going to work on it. I've always had that issue, and it's more of a finesse. I don't feel as confident. But I'm going to try this hairspray again. It is the bedhead. You guys know I've been using the bedhead, but this is the other one in the silver can. I've been using the one in the blue can. But it did have a pretty nice hold to it, and I'm just, you know, doing my wig how I normally do. Spray, blow dry, spray, and blow dry. and I'm just gonna cut that lace. After I did that, that was pretty much it. I just took my hot comb, pressed it away, pressed it out to ensure that there were no flyaways. You know what's so crazy? I actually did not use a wax stick with this install. There's like no flyaways in this blonde hair. Like I know you guys see a strand or two, but like normally blonde has a hell of flyaways at the top. Like it just doesn't do what it's supposed to do. But this hair actually, you know, it was doing something. And then after I did this, I just made sure that it was like straight again, so that I didn't have any dents from the clips or from the scrunchie or whatever. And that completed the look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I don't know if I said it yet or I said it at the end, but I will be dyeing this hair another color. If you can guess what color that is, comment below. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Alright guys, so that completes this look. It was super simple. It did take a little bit of time only because like I really want to focus more on the cut. Like my cut is like on point. This time around, it's no choppiness, it's no nothing. I got it right. But I am gonna dye this another color. Now that I'm looking at it, like I like the platinum blonde, but I want to try something else. So make sure you subscribe because in my next video, I would definitely be switching it up. I would be doing a different color. And I still have on my sweatshirt because I was supposed to be going out. I'm not going out anymore, so I'm not gonna waste the outfit or a look for a video. Like I'm over that. When it's just a hair video, like, you know, like it's not even worth it. But I do like this color against my complexion. It's giving me BAPS, realness, you know, 2020. And I keep saying 2020 because I'm getting used to saying 2020. But you guys, anyways, if you like this, check the description box. All the information will be below. I do really like this wig. As I said, it has a lot of parting space. The parting space is deep. The quality of the hair is great. There's like no flyaways. Like, but yeah, I'm gonna dye this color. If you can guess what color I'm gonna do next, then comment it below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.